Hi, today on Crawdad Outdoors. I'm Crawdad, and blueberry muffins are good. Alright, so we're going to be working on the laser haul today. Last night, I don't know if I showed you guys the dagger board, the center board, but I sanded it down. It took me about an hour and, let's say, I think an hour and 30 minutes. Took me about 45 minutes on this side. About 45 minutes on this side. About 15 minutes to get this straight. Clean this up a little bit. Clean down a little bit. I'm going to clean that up a little bit. Well, today, instead of doing this, we're going to do it out on the boat. This is part 2. And I'm using 80 grit, wet, dry sandpaper. Start sanding this down. I got most of it clean, but before you start sanding, gotta have it clean. Once it's clean, let it sit for a day. Okay, today's the next day. Time to sand it now. You just want to take a few layers off the paint. You don't want to get too deep into the fiberglass because you have to refiberglass it, and that's just a hassle. You just want to get all the dirt off and everything to get ready for paint. When doing this, if you have any water blisters or anything in there, you want to get yourself a pair of working goggles. I like wearing them because when you're working with this stuff, it can get into your eyes and stuff. See, now look at that. You see the difference? How this is white, how that's white, and how that's dirty. Can you guys see the difference? Look at that. Oh yeah, look at my hand. Can you see how it's white now compared to dirty? It used to be dirtier than this side. It used to be like this right here. Now nice and white and ready for paint. There you go. Since we don't got much time left, I'm just going to show you. This is a deep scratch. I ain't going to say any names. Let's see. If the scratch is going downwards, sandpaper it sideways. And boom, gone. But now, if the scratch, see like this scratch right here, it's like this right here, it's going this way. So the scratches are going that way. So then you want to sand it. Scratches are going this way, sand it like this. Scratches are coming down or up, and it feels like this. Scratch it like, do this. I'm going to show you some spider webbing, like this spider webbing right here. I'm going to be filling this in. You just want to go, the spider webbing is going this way, so you want to go up. And you want to get it close to, there we go, it's gone now. You want to hit it at the bottom, so there's no more spider webbing. Well, that's all for now.